Well, let's see if we do, because the next places we'll be visiting in this video will progressively grow more and more deadly than the last, all leading up to an island riddled with venomous snakes. And next, we're gonna be ice climbing on this massive, deadly, frozen waterfall.
Alright boys, this is where things get crazy! This helicopter is hovering right now on the side of a mountain! What are we doing? See you later! We are now standing on the side of a mountain!
And now there is no turning back. One way or another, we are going to climb this massive cliff using these bladed boots and these ice picks.
This might be the scariest thing we ever do.